tiger. I don't need to try to control you. Look into my eyes and I'll own you with them.
Good morning, class. Welcome to Miss Powell's biology class. Today we're learning about mutations. A mutation is a change in the DNA sequence of an organism which affects its genetic information. Let's recall what we've already learned about DNA. DNA is located in the nucleus of the cell and forms chromosomes. All organisms do not have the same number of chromosomes, as human cells contain more than 1 meter of DNA. Cells duplicate its DNA in a copying process known as meiosis. DNA strands serve as a template to make new DNA, following the rules of the base pairing. The DNA molecule is the original strand and one new strand. A mutation is when the change is made to the DNA sequence, which affects some genetic information. I will also be talking about mutations. I will show you their chromosomes and what they look like. I will also be talking about the diseases, such as Huntington's disease, color blindness, cystic fibrosis, and Down syndrome, which all happen when there's mutation. A mutation is a change in DNA sequence that affect genetic information. Point mutations occur at a single point in a DNA sequence. No change in an amino acid or a change in a single amino acid. Examples of this are color blindness, cystic fibrosis, Huntington's disease, and sickle cell anemia. Deletion, the loss of all or parts of a chromosome. Substitution is when one nitrogenous base is substituted for a different nitrogenous base.
Yeah, I'm gonna lift this house, spin it all around, toss it in the air and put it in the ground.
Down syndrome causes a mental retardation, physically noticeable traits, and heart defects. This is caused because there are 3 copies of chromosome 21. One baby in 800 are born with Down syndrome. It is caused during the early stages of meiosis. Color blindness is the inability to distinguish certain colors caused by defective vision of any one of the 3 genes associated with the color vision. Blue-yellow color blindness is an autosomal dominant trait. The color red-green color blindness is a sex-linked recessive trait. A sex length is encoded on your sex chromosome X, where men only have one of them, XY, compared to women having XX. An autosomal means equal for men and women. Cystic fibrosis is caused by missing 3 nitrogenous bases. Phenolphthalein amino acid is not there from the CFTR protein. An abnormal CFTR cannot go through the cell membrane. A thick mucus clogs your airways. You cannot digest food properly. The treatment for cystic fibrosis is special diet, physical therapy, medicine to control your mucus. It is common among white Americans. This is a genetic disorder which is deadly. 1 in 20 white Americans carry the recessive LI. 1 out of 2,000 white American children have the disease today.
But I want you got that it might be hard to handle, but like a flame that burns a candle, the candle feeds the flame. Yeah, what I got, full stock of thoughts and dreams that scatter, and you pull them all together, and I can't explain.
Huntington's disease is when they cannot control their movements of their hands, legs, and arms, and mental functions. This disease is caused by autonomically dominant LI. It occurs in people ages 30 to 50. Most of the people who carry the gene do not know it before they have children.
Oh yeah, well.